So, since the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario, I am sure you guys want to find out in which trend direction the price of Bitcoin might be possibly heading. Is it going to be a bullish continuation pattern because the price tested one of the most important line of support, or is it going to result in a corrective move from here on? What to expect next and what kind of scenario could be playing out in the upcoming days. We are going to talk about all of these scenarios one by one, but before I do that, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also guys, let's try to reach at least 1,000 likes in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, please destroy that like button right now. So first thing first, let's look at this rising wedge pattern. According to this rising wedge pattern, we were aware the price of Bitcoin was expected to show a reversal around 62,000, 60,000 before deciding the trend duration. It came exactly at this price range, even quick dip around 58,000, but now the price has managed to come across this 60,000 support range, which means the price already from this rising wedge played out perfectly. Now, since this bearish continuation pattern has played out perfectly, what to expect next? Will the price start showing a move like this? Because I've been talking about this price after testing the key line of support could be preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside. Because if you look at this price action in a very simple way, I mean using this rising trend line, you can see in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin has found support at this rising trend line, it has resulted in a very bullish move. I mean, in the past price action, you can see when the price started finding support at this rising trend line, it resulted in a move up to 83%. You can see another continuation, price found support at this rising trend line, which resulted in a 91.5% move. And now, since we are also testing the support from this rising trend line around 60,000, are we also expecting a very similar move to the previous price action? Because if the price comes across 85%, we are going to be easily in between 90,000 to 100,000 before starting with an actual continuation. So that's why in the bigger picture, I've been very clear. Price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted in between 90,000, 100,000 before deciding the trend duration. And this pullback, just like here from the past price action, could be one of the biggest trap in history. I mean, price showing a corrective move towards this rising trend line, which could be resulting in a very parabolic move. And why? Because if you look at this price action using our leading indicator, according to our leading indicator, the price of Bitcoin lost the support, one of the most important support from this CPI line, which brought us exactly at this first target for the month of June. Yes guys, we knew that for this month of June, our first target sits around 58,708, and that's why I showed you on my previous video. We might see a quick dip around this S1 line, and after that the price slowly getting attracted towards this monthly CPI line, finding support around that area, and also starting with an actual continuation. So now, after testing the support around this monthly S1 line, you can see the price of Bitcoin has started to show bullish move. Now, what I want you guys to do is to simply monitor this price movement around 60,000, because remaining above 60,000 means the price, after consolidating around this area for a while, could be actually preparing itself for another bullish move. Because in a bigger picture, we were aware price of Bitcoin was following this descending channel where the price was resulting in a move like this. I mean, lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern type of formation. And I was also very clear, this lower trend line, just like from this past price action, could be attracting us, and it did. Now we are eager to see whether this support remains or not, because remaining over 60,000 means the price parallelly could be also preparing for another falling channel pattern breakout or bull flag formation. Yes guys, this weekly chart also clearly points us price remaining over 60,000 means we are slowly preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside. Because just like from this past price action, I showed you guys the price of Bitcoin could be showing a very similar move to this past price action. I mean, price of Bitcoin here, right? You can see price of Bitcoin showing a continuation towards this neckline. And why neckline? Because we found out, according to this Davos box pattern, price before starting with this final wave 3, it is going to result in a corrective move where we are going to get attracted towards this neckline, forming a double bottom type of formation before breaking it to the upside. So just like from this price action, the price of Bitcoin could be also preparing itself for a double bottom type of formation before breaking it to the upside. So that's why remaining above 60,000 means the price, just like from this past price action, could be preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside. Because we know, if you look at this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, it might look like it has been invalidated, but please zoom out. In phase C, we were expecting shakeouts, few more sideways movement, but since crypto is volatile, this kind of move is absolutely normal. I mean, price testing the support on 60,000 is absolutely normal. So remaining of 60,000 means even this Wyckoff reaccumulation phase will play out, but breaking the support on 60,000 means all the bullish continuation pattern which I showed you are going to get invalidated. Yes guys, breaking below 60,000 means all the bullish scenarios are going to fade out, and price after that is expected to show an actual reversal towards this rising trend line, the worst case price target for now. I mean, according to this weekly linear chart, you can see the price in a bigger frame has shown a move towards this rising trend line before finding bottom, before starting with an actual bullish continuation. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that if the price of Bitcoin starts showing weakness, in the worst case, this rising trend line, which will be around 48,000-50,000, could be attracting us, and that will be the bottom in case this worst case scenario starts playing out. But please do not panic. I've been very clear. As long as the price remains over 60,000, please, that could be a temporary pullback before breaking it to the upside, because I showed you guys the price in a daily time frame could be forming a bullish symmetrical triangle. Yes, even though this is a bullish symmetrical triangle, first there could be few shakeouts, price liquidating the overall average longs before starting with an actual bullish move. If you look at this example on the right hand side, you can see even this symmetrical triangle faked out. We broke the support, started with this corrective move, liquidated the overall average longs before starting with an actual bullish move like this. So that's why guys, that's why in the medium short term, if the price starts showing another continuation like this, I just want you guys to look at this symmetrical triangle fake out, which at the end resulted in a very bullish move. Not just only this symmetrical triangle, even according to this ascending triangle, you can see during uptrend, ascending triangle doesn't necessarily mean the price will show a move like this. First, we could see fake break to the downside, which resulted in a liquidation hunt, liquidated the overall average longs before showing a move like this. So that's why price after some fake out, price after liquidating the longs could be starting with an actual bullish move. And why are we expecting the price of Bitcoin after some sideways movement, after some shakeout, to start with a bullish move? Because if you look at this liquidation heat map in 24-hour time frame, we have liquidity clusters around 60,800, 61,000. So in the medium short term, after taking out the liquidity, which we have around 62,500, price of Bitcoin could show another continuation to the downside, taking out all the liquidities around this area and then slow move to the upside. Because in a weekly time frame, we have huge liquidity clusters around 65,000. Yes guys, this 65,000 liquidity cluster, almost around 467 million, could be attracting us after taking out the liquidity, which we have around 60,000 in the medium short term. So this is another reason why remaining over 60,000 means the price of Bitcoin could be showing a move like this. I mean, price testing the support around this area before starting with an actual continuation like this. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and additional to that another 200 futures position airdrop from Bybit. Then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because this event is providing a great opportunity to take advantage of this market volatility. So if you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this volatility, then definitely take advantage of these free bonuses as well. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.